Oh dear. Oh, the motor's fallen off.
Yo, what's up? Today we're flying this 109, this BF-109, with a Mobius cam, and going to be doing sort of a few tests just to see if the Mobius is positioned right and whether it works, because it's new and this is its first time in the air. So I suppose we should get started. Power on. This one. Balance the plane. Right, so we're up in the air. Everything's looking alright at the moment. That's very nice. That was quite nice. I think I'm just going to do a few circuits around the field. It's hard to tell how far away I am. I mean, you're going to know where I am over the field, or if I'm actually outside of the field. Okay, I'm going to try some stalls now. Cut the throttle, pull back, pull back, pull back. And yeah, power out. This plane is so stable. I tell you what, if this crashes anytime soon, I'm totally going to build a new one. Right then. As you can see, it's a lovely day from here. Over that way is some hills called the Hollins, and then over this way is the main village. Just doing a bit of sightseeing, I suppose. Seems alright to me. Do some low passes now. Daka 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 daka. Whoa. Oh, the sun's come out now. That's nice. Right then, let's try some spins. Pretty recoverable. The roller. Oh dear. Oh, the motor's fallen off. Oh crap. Oh dear. The motor just fell off. What did I just say about crashing? What did I say about crashing? Oh, and now the timer's going off. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Well, that was a fail and a half. Right, I'm going to come back for the bag, but take this with me. Thankfully I was still able to control the plane to the ground. Could have put that elevator on high rates, but I didn't quite manage to. What was I just saying about the motor as well? Like, it's a nice motor. Fantastic. Well, this plane has seen some action, I suppose. Oh look, it's the screws that came off. That's weird. I did check that before. You see how the screws there? They're the motor mount is still actually in place. I thought the wood had come out or something, but well, yeah. The good news is I can totally rebuild this. It's not too much of a problem, but and the rest of the plane seems all right. Just check all the controls. Okay, let's unplug the battery. I'll go and try and find this motor over here. Yeah, this is going to be like looking for a needle in a haystack. But it sounded like a proper warbird though when it actually went, when it started to fall off. It sounded amazing. Well, I searched for it for about 5 minutes and I can't find it, and I don't think I'm going to either. So I might check the footage. I'll let you know if I found it, but I doubt it. So I'll just have to find a new motor for this plane. But yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you next time.